Hi guys, so today we are going to learn how to draw one point perspective. So let's learn the basics. In one point perspective we have one point and from there all the lines are drawn. So everything you draw leads you towards this point. Eye level line, and the thing that we are drawing today is an home interior. One point perspective is very important for JJ aspirants and NATA students and all the architecture entrance exam students, as this is a must, very important question in all the entrance exams. So without further ado, let's start learning. This is my wall. I'll draw a wall. From there, the side walls are leading you towards this point. This point is in the wall and this is my guideline. So I'm going according to the guideline and drawing the wall. Similarly for the ground. If you're getting confused by so many lines, erase them all. I'll draw my bed. So there are two lines and according to the guideline, my guideline goes here. I'll do it like this. According to the line. This is my guideline, so I went according to that. I'll do a photo frame here. So here is my line going here. So on that basis only I'll draw the photo frame. A very important feature of these perspective drawings are you have to make sure that all your lines are going with the focal point. If any line goes haywire, it looks very abrupt and it does not look nice. Let's do the sofa. on top of that, I'll do a photo frame. Similarly, I'll do a small cupboard at this end of the wall. Okay, and now we'll draw this carpet so that we get a perspective feel. So for all you architecture and interior design aspirants, I hope this video has helped you all. And since you guys have a lot of one perspective, two perspective, I'm planning to make more such videos, so stay tuned. And we would also like to know from you which topics would you like us to make, so even we have a clear vision and we know what exactly you all want, and we can make the further videos according to that. So please take this effort to comment below that which topic you want us to make videos on. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to share.
Drawing skills, and we also have knife painting workshops and various workshops that we keep include geo-resin, resin pouring, fluid acrylic pouring. So if you're interested, then please follow us on Instagram. The handle is given in the description box below. To all our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. You can connect with us, contact us. We would be glad and very happy to answer you all. So you should know we love meeting new people. So you are most welcome to contact us. We also provide coaching for the art entrance exams like NATA, NID, UCEED, JJ, MS, CT. So if you're interested, don't hesitate to contact us. We would be glad to attend yours. Always remember that whenever you're doing one point perspective, first draw a dot and then draw the guidelines to it, all the reference lines leading to the point, and then accordingly calmly think and draw all the interior, house interior, anything, even if it's an outdoor scene, draw the trees, building, everything that lead you to the point. So that's a very important tip. And don't be afraid, it's not that tough, it's not that hard. You just have to know your basics well. And here at Mumbai Painting Studios, we know very well how to teach and groom the beginners. So if you're learning with us, it would be like a cakewalk for you all. And especially for the entrance exams, it won't be a hard or tough job for you all to do it well, because we would be teaching everything right from 1 point perspective to 3, 4 point, 5 point perspective, which is very essential for your exams. Okay, so that is it for today. So before leaving, I would like to say, please like, share and comment below what you want us to make, and please let us know if you like this video or not. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We love making art and we love making art fun. So if you're liking what we do, please take a little more effort and click the subscribe button below. Thank you. So see you in the next art video.
Please try it out now and let us know how it turned out to be. We're waiting for your replies. And don't forget to check out our social media handles. The links are given in the description box below. So we'll see you next time with another art tutorial.